Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to change my Zoom name. So that's actually so simple to be done and so easy. So first, you just need to open up your browser and then type on your search bar zoom.us. Click enter. Once you click enter, what you need to do, you need to sign in. Click on sign in and then for me I signed in directly because I was signed in. I don't know why they ask me to sign in. For you, you just need to sign in to your account and this window will appear to you. Go into this profile picture on the top right corner and then click on your profile. So as you can see and as we all can see, there are too many options on the left side. Click on my account, then go through your profile. Alright, once you click on your profile, you can change here and you can edit too many things on your Zoom account. So let's go into edit directly on the right side of your Zoom name. Click on edit and here you can change your first name and last name and display name. And also guys, you can get through that website from your Zoom workplace app. You can go into this gear on the top right corner, click on it, settings, and then go into profile and click on my edit profile. They will send you directly to this website. Then you need just to click on edit and you can also edit your name. So there are two ways to do that, and both of them are so simple. Anyways guys, that's how you can change your name on Zoom, and that's the subject of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.